meeting na saying so no. Bibi ko so I think say enchaye. And he say some of our friends are most of them minimum right on this platform. Nimbo Mudimba minimum. They were also on the venue of the NEC meeting. And if you have come across a lot of videos, circulating on social media, big media houses are also reported it. They say, Ntokwabi kosu oho, mintimi wansebi, ya bon krofwa sumni nyamanema nyinano. Some of them that are on TikTok. Mu decided say they wanted to send a statement to NEC. And that statement, they will send it in form of a banner. And the banner also no, I said, on Japan picture was so say Ken must go and point B was so and all those, and they were there. I think say a good thing. And no democracy is beautiful. Yeah, no democracy is beautiful. But say aside the fact say adia mu ye no adipano. I also believe say sometimes we must watch how we go about certain things. Okay, we must watch how we approach certain people. Baby, or why friend protocol. I can have all the good intentions in the world, but say me share football, me also test for reposting. Say me share football match say and as part of a spectator, I'm your stadium. I jump and I started running towards Abia Ronaldo. The natural instinct of Nkrofo Amuye stewards, I was stadium name say they must run a cash before I get to any player because they fear. Then they say we don't know who wants to harm the player or who genuinely just allows the player and wants to hack or want a selfie with the player. And in all humility, say minority leader of NPP in Parliament, Honorable Afenyo Markin, program biase, and then you go towards the entry of the car, it somehow makes the security uncomfortable because of primary responsibility. Power tapping is to keep the man safe, right? And the altercation I also know, and yeah, good for the optics. You did very well. And the good thing about it, and they say, because of that altercation, NPP, Debbie. In fact, after the altercation, they still stayed, they still protested, and made their voices heard. Say they want Honorable Kennedy Ohene Japan out of the party. And if you are part of the people who went there today to demonstrate now, kudos to you. We are proud of you. If you are part of the people who went to the NEC meeting today, we are so proud of you. You did the right thing, but next time, let us watch our approach. Okay, let's watch our approach. I've seen say Queen Afia Schwarzenegger has passed through. Let's watch our approach. Very important. Make sure say sometimes you should give a little bit of gap between you and them. Yes, people will treat you like a kind of say like a threat. But those of you who have also sustained any issues, that it comes with all issues medically. And please get checked up. China, checking more up. If there's any way we can help, let us know. We will do our best to help you. Say medical bills, whatever. We are one party. Our goal is to return to power, and we can only return to power when we are united. But we cannot say unity will allow people to keep misbehaving. Debbie. And I had a mini fancy comedy. I mean, I disagree totally because my own video be a circulated from Minya a fancy comedy. And that video, no, besides and confirm some petition, no, yes, you only 50 million. I'll make me a year. Look, Fanti comedy. Me, I don't know you physically. I mean, I know you as an NPP person, and anyone who's an NPP person is my brother. So let me tell you this: you are wrong to say that. Party name no, and you be an school. If everything were to be about money, Anka NPP would have won 2024 election. Me na make it. If it was about money, says Kase, yenko peskana, yenko chairman crofo. Aka 2024 election would have won because last minute, last minute. Say you go and ask about Go TV. Go TV means I'm not explaining it to people here, but more party fellows and I'm follow party and I said. You have been with the party for long. You go and ask about Go TV. Go TV came in the dying minute of the election. Now Go TV, now it was good. And if some people pocketed it, though, Shakataka says that comment from him was the word I said, yeah. And yes, money is not everything in winning an election. And yeah, BBR, somebody must be willing to go and climb a pole to put the party's flag there. As part of you can say a campaign. Didn't we see a guy bikra echo climb people now as a electricity shock dream or something like that, and Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia went to visit him. Today he cannot walk. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia cannot climb a pole to go and fix a NPP flag or pole. No, so we need someone political lampard say God bless you, amen. Yeah, here on beer obet me through pole. And Sani Panu, ebi oni scout be boa party no, but on a hon didn't expect it or the fruit propose no. So you cannot say obi was scanty, younger no say party. No. We need somebody that must be willing to cross a river into a town that is not easily reachable to go and campaign there. Then we shouldn't be in opposition today. And he said, when people are genuinely vexed or about something that someone has said, or feel say, idea will be a kind of party, no almost have been on petitions. Who need right be to go and say, or yes, you scout betting as canana. A you'll be behind the party name about me now, a TikTok or your TikTok live. Do we expect Dr. Bawumia to come and sit on TikTok live like the way I'm doing? Do we expect Kennedy Japan to come and sit on TikTok live like the way I'm doing? And to me, so me boa party in a way. And yes, the can the data I'm mami. The data I'm using, is this someone? Also, say God bless you. Amen. And look, let's be careful the kind of things we say. Yes, sir. We are going to discourage a lot of our grassroots people from working. And Mika said, anybody that will say something, that is going to go against effort to come back 2020, will treat you like an NDC person. Whether you are Fanti Comedy or whoever, you can be part of us. But if you say things that are going to go against your party now, and against people, we will not allow that to happen. And I don't know, say Fanti Comedy, no. Meaning say Asema Okayen, it was a joke or not. But if it was not a joke, and then you must come out and apologize to the people, to our grassroots for. I saw apologizing my grassroots for saying that. How can you say such? How can you say something like that? Not because I say, yes, you are scar. Confirm so my petition or you say scar or bet me a scanner or multinational and anchor form penny phone call. What do you mean by that? Can Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia speak away? I see a campaign of voter region, so you need someone who can speak away to go and speak to people in voter region. So anybody who needs Kampua, he's using a Kasa or Tenu to go and help NPP. And the health committee Mikaun, they don't pay us, but I did because she was school. I'm also using it to help NPP to come up with policies to scrutinize anything NDC is doing in the health sector. Then we come up with a reply. That is how you build a party. And please don't be discouraged by some of these things. Normal. People, all manner of people hold all manner of views. And the thing about NPP is NPP is very, very democratic. And everybody can get up. Now, I saw camera, now, can and all those things. But don't let it discourage you. The bigger thing ahead of us is 2028. And it is because we are going to win 2028 that things are the way they are right now. To try to discourage you. Nkofo beka ansensem, obi beka say, obi ma a showdown, obi beka say, obi or documents be on it, on it. So don't be discouraged. And that is about the next meeting today, and about the statement that now, Papa, sorry to use this. More money, say yeah, but some people deserve to be insulted. Question penny be now NPP my friend are arrested. Like Papa no, wait, Jimmy. Abnormally saying for some of us are very sad though. Oh, Abna, don't be sad. My namesake Mauli, don't be sad. It's one of those things. Charlie, we have a bigger fight ahead of us. Don't be sad, okay, my dear.
Minuya Bobiansa. I have said, Cratch now in the Tiwana, or no Casse, or Fred Chemofusu Ajare, or Fano. I would now a canadre excellent say, or catch and say, and near more they were two piano. And try you know. Catch and say, send wafa, any civil for Sojaria. Then yet offer a yabusia. Nay, and you so offer. Bobie Minimupa Minuano. True Lustowell, and a mammy the forward down for Namidi Woon. Bobie me kanya kopon hota suri pa se Bobie TV. Asami ba my head you mean kind because me share you na to me boa me ho na da me din se be gudwa e be gyemosam e wo siri ho Bobie me senya kopon hota wo se o ma wakoma na want to be bie ensem bi e wo ano e kan wu chema adare so Bobie enye sa kade a me yo no be nu ho Bobie azaba Bobie asa me say I respect you as a brother. Okra wuti we kra na eduru baby a utumi call off e kan kwasi asem e kire NDC fo e wa na asuko no man ote wono e kire say sabi because of NDC because of policy no na call your no etumi man nkrofo ebedi steve of Swajare atem asanomo ntiase once Bobiasa, oh, can one say, oh, dear, one shall antias na see, Possoa, and Matias, because over Tiasia, one we are, Okran, now Corocran, who be did at them. And some by a month will be a tag me, Kumasifo tag me. Many nipa now call you, but to be a kind of once I'm breaking it down. Become a chino, and take catching or to say only as some can on shut up okay no do because chemo for Sojaria why wouldn't him now what we so be did that them no ye be fa one wasem e jinjawa ube no na call yo only ni pass chemo for Sojaria e ba nyini mu a o tumi fa no to no e ba school ma o tumi fa no to no sebe e ba sikasema o tumi fa no to no and our real mutu ought to be found and a mamukrano ought to be found to now call you a small girl 36 years or no useless MPs I know to be done and him a can't consider some a church of Sojaria say or no ni PA obi also kasabano a kwano chimoto no kwatra mothers FM a can't was some goose some chemo for Sojaria wono ochimoto oyokada na wo sebi previous wo no krutan time no sebi now call you that useless husband no etue sika ma bramwei so omna me gus chemo for Sojaria ufia na sebi akani ba kwani ba na sebi ono de ne wedie ene ne sika aboa wo na call you amwa be MP no u be gina ho enu kru asopa na dia bobie se wuni masema ka wanu tum because me no me ko me nam teta video so me peke niema and some there by no So because I'm so good at one way or the mark in court, and I'm ready to go to the court because of that coyote. With him, NDC party is one of 7 periods. 7, and ya sorry that you. They are sorry that crying, sorry crying, 7, who to be caught. Oh, yes, so for Jimmy, and now quite for the Jimmy to be just sorry. No, NDC party no 7, and you're back for the now, and some level mobile. Say, why won't take a semi coso? I will now call you anything was of soldier in table. Won't see us here. Now, Copoa, a bois, Friday. Over 10 men come over one of the TV stations. So, and to wow, person would see assembly. Go to my page and watch and summer me, Mecca. Ama Yura Mahamani on Abu Judas, the brandy, and so you get him with Nabetie. And summer I call so now call your fear in proof for no more now. Now, 7 previous sir. When you be a moasia, a Jamon chrono. And to Modi and mom to teach you honor. Monkamanu too. Now, more shed the airport. Ashen a fitness, a chrono animal. Why? Me my D because me pay baby, me pay information more baby. As I made the main summer be good. The son I'll call your tears some no. Necessary previous sir. Mumubi baby now Eddie this chamber for such a ratem at TV so I can say bear my dear, bear my dear, bear my dear no but why did bear my bed on no back way baby? What is a for such a matter of ways that and quasi a summer now call your any crew you see Kake Boko the Pafu the Patantai a bear more sabi Okita American passport or so ya Juma national security. Massa, one come on to move all. Na one judge me or sir, station up will be Otisuna, Massa. Oh, by Yirao. They come out to be come on to come one or two, big way, come on to so who knew Chemo for Soja, come on to who knew Papa like come on to. Yes, I will be a dear my John. Oh, you regret yourself, sir, obey media. Sure, come on to now, more somewhere or see, I can see you could cry up to and said, Yenia. What have you to be interested in your Juma? Share. O Cotibetia, bear my dear, only obey Yasama, and cut. You will back Quasia, you will buy what Jimmy Asabi, what's in the par, not in them. Will be a TV. You will maybe Okomi Asabi, who could be one, and the diagram was in the person opener, or do be chin the whole Ghana. I will be able to be seen a pet. Nasabi will be on the way bibida, who to be bopper. Emma kwasi penny bear maybe a sebe. The who can trip Okada. Ebet somebody's TV. A count kwasi a sem. A good chairman who fear. Then one can see the work of me say. Men some na me boba no. If we do. Why here? Obi abajiri dia. We a penny when this man. Obajo dia. Kwasi a sema kwakwa. Wa branch na otiwa sebe. Who ni mushen. Obeka say a friend or far. Then one can say. Uni chance the water. One can say, Rabachan Casa. And you may be good Quamno, why here? In the end, this is a budget is some or Casua. I may be before after 2 minutes back. I'm telling people, would your mom, Papa, such a Nakoyo, money young Quasi, I said, no, do what you out to Channel. I bet you myself, in my 18 and my comb. Now, would ye, may say, oh, Professor Tin Summer, Thursday, you watch me live on one of TV station. I will go now, over 10 some.